It is time! Jenny's box from Missouri Star Quilt Company has arrived, and starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. I will be opening a gift a day from this Advent box. So much fun. This is my third year doing it, and I'm so excited about it. Now, I haven't opened the box for the box, so I don't even know what it looks like, and I've been trying to stay off of social media because I don't want to see. I want to open it together right here, so let's do it. Not fabric scissors. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's like a Scandinavian, oh, it's nice. It's like a heavy duty box. All right, I don't want to wreck the box lifting it out. All right, now I'll be able to slide it off. Hopefully, maybe. Well, this is something, I can't even get it out of the box. Phew, I got it out of the box. All right, let's see. I'm gonna open it up. It's like magnetic closure. It's really nice. I think we could use it after. Oh, how cute. Merry Christmas from the Dones. How sweet is that? The little note in this beautiful banner thing. And we got a duck. This is the flat chuck. Fun, very cute. Take it along on your daily adventures and take pictures, and you can post it on social media. I love the wrap, and look at these labels, so pretty. Oh my goodness. What an upgrade from years before. Look at how pretty these are. Oh, I'm gonna have to dig through, find the first one because I'm excited to figure out what it is, and then I'll be able to share it with you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I'll see you then.